Thank you for your interest in data loaders from 32Soft. We're confident that data loaders will completely revolutionize your QAD data management process. In fact, data loaders can more than triple your company's productivity by allowing you to make massive changes to your QAD data quickly and easily, transforming days' worth of work into minutes of work. We've helped hundreds of QAD users optimize their human resources, increase their data quality, and eliminate costly bottlenecks. IT managers find that data loaders free up their staff for more strategic projects because they spend less time on repetitive data management tasks and cumbersome SIM loads. Plus, data loader software installs in just 30 minutes and features built-in security measures so you never have to worry about the integrity of your data. What's more, data loaders are cost-effective with a quick return on investment and low cost of ownership that senior management will love. Plus, data loaders are supported by a knowledgeable technical staff to ensure your success. Let's take a closer look at how data loaders can transform your QAD data management. You can manage thousands of records in seconds by simply downloading your QAD data into data loaders Excel spreadsheets. In the data loaders spreadsheets, you can make massive changes, additions, and deletions, and analyze your data using Excel's native functionality. Then, with the click of a button, upload your revised data quickly and safely back to QAD. Current data loader clients consistently report a significant increase in production with no increase in staff. The results have been impressive, says IT manager Rick Dodge. When a demonstration of the product was shown to senior management, the response was, "How quickly can we turn up this software in other parts of the business that are running QAD?" One of the most powerful benefits is that data loaders allow everyday users to quickly, easily, and safely upload new or modified data to QAD without IT involvement. Data loaders are fully SOX compliant and have built-in security features that ensure data integrity. During the upload, data loaders validate data against genuine QAD logic and use a SIM load mechanism in the background. This means your data is automatically entered into QAD just as if it had been manually keyed in, ensuring partial uploads never occur. If an error is found in the data during the upload, cells with errors are instantly highlighted, so the user can quickly identify and correct any problems before beginning the upload again. Data loaders also have a built-in record lock prevention feature. If a record is locked by another user during an upload, data loaders will stop processing, highlight the record, and notify the user to try again later when the locked record becomes available. We have been using data loaders for years. We love them, says IT manager Ed Newfer. We use them to dig into account balances and cost centers and make adjustments that are easily loaded back to QAD. We hope you will join the growing number of manufacturing companies around the globe who have chosen data loaders to boost performance, improve data accuracy, reduce costs, and optimize the allocation of valuable human resources. Our finance clients report that data loaders make complicated period closings a breeze, while other QAD clients worldwide rave about how data loaders help them expertly manage everything, from price list updates to order entry to forecasting and more. Our IT managers are thrilled to no longer be involved with tedious data management tasks and cumbersome SIM loads. And senior managers are happy when they quickly see data loaders' impact on their bottom line. We're confident your organization will enjoy the same dramatic results and immediate benefits as those experienced by our current data loader clients. And we're also confident that you will come to have the same trust in our staff here at 32Soft. Yetta Kay with Capital Safety Group put it this way: We found 32Soft to be very professional and competent in their business dealings with our company, and we would have no hesitation recommending their services. See for yourself how our innovative and affordable software can support your company's ability to manage data quickly and accurately, make timely business decisions, increase productivity, improve flexibility, and significantly reduce costs. Thank you again for trying Data Loaders from 32Soft. If you have any questions, please contact us by email or by phone.